So earlier we were in the French Branch Estates neighborhood. We actually left to get to higher ground. It does appear that everything is okay over there. And I've just learned from parish leaders that a total of 95 homes all across the parish this weekend saw flood damage. Lauren Lively lives along Rue Acadian in Slidell. She was very busy Monday cleaning up and salvaging anything she could.
My dad, I just called him yesterday, told him Happy Father's Day, and he said, "This is the best Father's Day gift that you could give me, is how you're handling everything around the house."
Lively said the water started gushing in her home Saturday at around 1 a.m. She saved photo albums and everything she could get her hands on.
My dad's parents that have passed away, this is probably the worst of the photographs that we have lost. We were trying to salvage everything that we could because they're not here anymore, and just so that way we would have those memories.
Whenever all of it came down so fast this time, it was kind of like, it was unbelievable.
Bill Dubasson lives nearby. About a foot of water came into his home. He just moved in.
Whenever I walked back in, it was, it'll bring a tear to your eye, and you just kind of like, wow, all this stuff that we've worked so hard for is gone.
He and his neighbors want to see drainage improved out here. So I took their concerns to Parish President Mike Cooper.
We are certainly concerned about all of the drainage features throughout Eastern St. Tammany Parish. We're determining what has to be done. I know that there is some work on the radar for that area, the French Branch area, Turtle Creek area, and we're always looking for ways to improve drainage. But nothing can sustain the 10 to 12 inches of rain in a very short period of time.
As for Lively, she's just glad she was awake when the water started coming in and can only hope that things get better soon.
I just take a deep breath and I do cry then and let him out and then move on, go to sleep, wake up, start all over again.
So parish leaders are asking anyone who saw flood damage this weekend to reach out to them. You can see their email address listed and posted right there on your screen. And of course, right here in Slidell right now, we're not seeing any flooding currently, but we'll keep you posted on WDSU News at 10. Back to you.